Ben, I'd love for you to talk to me and educate everyone from your perspective. What is Kubernetes and why are people using it today?
Wow. It's a, it's a great question. Again, returning to the same thing that I think myself as something who is really frank and telling what he thinks. So I think Kubernetes started as a container orchestration platform. It was obvious for many of us that who started to use Docker and containers at a very early stage that that there are a lot of things which can be automatized, and there was obviously a vacuum, okay, where there were multiple solutions to try to enter the same vacuum, and I think Kubernetes hits really off it really really well off. But I want to remind you that and also the viewers that Kubernetes is part of the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, uh, uh, um, and Cloud Native Computing Foundation is really looking to create a vendor independent cloud porting layer. So if I wanted today to better define what Kubernetes is, I think Kubernetes is a cloud independent, workload microservice platform. And today what it gives you is the ability, I think, to define your applications and your processes, regardless in which cloud you're actually running in. And beyond that, I think that the world is going into a really interesting direction because today there are people who have a lot of on-prem data centers, which they don't want to leave because it's already there. And they're starting to use Kubernetes on their on-prem because on the one hand, they don't want to move to the cloud, but they want to enjoy the cloud, the cloud, all the goods the cloud technologies are giving them. And maybe tomorrow they will say that, okay, in peak hours, I will move my load to the cloud. So, and by having this porting layer across the board, it's much more easy to like having this mobility on where you're running your workloads and where you're running your stuff. And I think it's really amazing, thing in the industry to have this. And I'm not saying it's just this because I'm myself is a contributor to Kubernetes.
Nice.